you are having a wonderful day. So welcome to another video of the channel. So it's a gold chart. So by the way, I'm trading gold every day. I only trade gold in forex market. If you are someone who is new to the trading and need some guidance, I can provide you some forex guidance. So do let me know if you want. Do let me know in the comments. So let's get back to the topic. Today we will discuss how you can make $100 a day with Amazon KDP. Yes, $100 a day. It's very easy and you can achieve it in a couple of months if you are doing it seriously. So let's see how it is possible. Is it possible to make $100? So let's first see, is it possible or not. First of all, I'm on a incognito mode and typing amazon.com, changing my address. So if you are making a coloring book, by making coloring book, can you make $100? So let's see. Coloring book for adults. Okay, so we will not go with the some popular books. We will just find something which is not even that popular. Oh, well, popular, just go to some page number 3 and trying to find something which is not too popular. Let it load. Like this, Annika Sweat. So I think she make a book on book general with 100 plus beautiful design for all ages. Just click on it and just go and search with KDP sales calculator. KDP sales calculator, it is used to calculate book. Oh, sorry, where it is. So it is used to calculate book sales for only amazon.com, not .co.uk, any other. It will just only used to calculate sales for amazon.com. So it rank on 20,000 and it's 108 pages and it's selling for 6.99. They are making more than $2. So let's assume they are making $2 in royalties. Okay, and it's rank on 20820. Okay, let's go 20820 and on daily they are making 13 sales. So from this book she is making somewhere around $26, more than $26, but we will assume she is making $2 of profit, so $26. Okay, let's just go and see how much book she published. $20,000. Any other book which is ranking high? No, she just got started. So from only one book he is making $26 every day. So let's suppose if you uploaded this type of 4 books which rank 20,000, you can easily make $100 a month. Sorry, $100 a day. So this is not even popular. Yeah, she's absolutely, she's running ads, but you have to upload more and more books. Let's suppose you uploaded 10 books and every book is making $25 and you make $250 a day and you are spending $100 in advertising and $150 is your profit. So this is how things works. So here it is not that popular. New release, let's see how many books she published under his author name. A lot of book. Just go with paper bag. I think she's quite popular, that's why I have a lot of reviews. We have to find something which is not that popular. Like this, Elizabeth H.G. Sims, they are new, I think. Only one book. Only one, she upload only one book and ranking at 9889. 9889, and it's making 25. From this book she's making $50 a day. So this is how you can make money, and and how much you can make. The sky is the limit. You can just go and see how much people are making. Yeah, it's on 108. Let's see how much he is making. $618. The book priced at $599. He's making more than $1, but let's assume it's making $1. Then per day he's making more than $600. And this, it's selling for sorry, he's selling for $12.99, and it's 100 less than 100 pages, and 1498. Okay, 1498, 100, and it's almost, he's making more than $5 profit, because he's selling very high. $5 with 110 multiplied by 5, it is $550 for this single book. Yes, he is spending some quite of some money on ads, like $200 a day. So still he is $350 in profit. So this is how things work. You have to spend something, then you will make a lot of money. You see, there's a plenty of example. Oh man, it's 80 pages and he's selling for $17.95. He is almost making $7 in profit. Let's just see how much he's making. 2121. Okay, 2121, 85 into 7, it's $600, man. More than $600 he's making with this single book. So this is the power of KDP. This sky is the limit, man. Here you look, 272 with 12.99. he's making almost more than $5.5, but let's assume he's making $5 with every sale, and it's ranking on 272, 351. What the fuck, man? He's making more than $1,700 a day with this single book. This is what I'm talking about. This is the power of KDP. Sky is the only limit, man. Amazing. So I hope you get your point. You just have to upload couple of books and try to run ads. It's not gonna, you will not gonna achieve in a day, but eventually when you are doing it on a continuous basis, you will achieve it for sure. You will achieve. Keep believing in the process, keep believing in you. You will do it. Just keep doing. Eventually you started with making $10 a day, then it's 12, 15, 20, 25, and eventually you will make $50 a day. Then you will double it to 100. Then you will never gonna start. If you started making money, you will never gonna stop. You will make more and more and more and more and more. This is how process goes. So I hope you get my point. So thanks for watching. If you are someone who is new, so consider subscribing this channel. And if you have any question regarding this video, do let me in the comments. If you have any other idea of the video, do let me know in the comments. So thanks for watching. This is the end of the video. Over and out.